Are you looking for a fifth wheel to use as a vacation home? Then look no further. This is a 2026 Flagstaff 401CFB. This beauty is 40 feet long, 11,500 pounds, right? Shoot, even a gasser could tow this one pretty easily. Give you a second to pause to see some of the standard and optional features on the Flagstaff fifth wheel. And let's go inside. So right off the rip, you have an island kitchen as soon as you walk in. Well, it's nice to have free moving chairs to be able to pick up and just take outside. And the second thing, there's a lot of people that want to repurpose this area here as a desk. You have two electric recliners sitting across from your TV and electric fireplace. You have this couch that does turn into a bed. Well, if you didn't want to use this as a work from home station, but instead as just increased counter space, big old microwave, 3-burner stovetop, beautiful cabinetry, everything is soft close, even the trash can drawer, spot to put cutlery, right? You get a cutting board built into it. You get an 18 cubic foot electric refrigerator. I mean, this is nicer than the fridge I have at home. Freezer tray down below, ice maker on these nowadays. Gonna come with a tire pressure monitoring system. Super awesome pantry with a motion activated light right there next to the refrigerator, and you get a little coffee bar space here as well. This is a bath and a half model, so you get a guest bathroom here, plenty of storage, and a porcelain toilet. Couple of steps leading up to your bedroom. You're gonna get a king size bed in here on a slide out. You have an AC in the main living with a ceiling fan, and you get a third air conditioner here in the bedroom, which I think is awesome that Flagstaff does that. You have a TV already installed in the bedroom. You get a second electric fireplace, accent lighting down below, and of course, if you lift up the frame on the bed, you get plenty of more storage under the bed. One other thing as well, I don't know if you can tell, but your brakes here on this Flagstaff are painted red. It means that this fifth wheel is equipped with an ABS system, which is kind of new in the industry. But if you're looking at a fifth wheel, a travel trailer, and the brakes are painted red, it means that it has ABS, meaning you're gonna be... And before I let you go today, a couple of last minute mentions. You have slide toppers on each one of the slide outs here on your trailer. I think that's almost expected nowadays on fifth wheels to have auto leveling. And what I really like is this area here for your water hookups, because you do get a water filtration system, and you have water hookups that get snaked through this hole under here, so that when everything's all hooked up and connected and you've got this door closed and secured. Now stepping over here to the restroom, this is the highlight of the trailer. You get a his and hers vanity here in your front restroom. So if you're a retired couple looking for a fifth wheel to full-time out of, I'm telling you guys, this is the one. One-piece fiberglass shower with the seat, in case you guys need a little bit of assistance in the shower, of course. And you get plenty of closet space here in the front. Couple of drawers there. We get more shelf space here. You got it. And then, of course, as you can tell by the sticker, you have a spot to put a stackable washer and dryer, because you have your washer and dryer hookups there. And that is going to do it for us on this video. You can reach out to me. My cell phone number is 760-559-6103. I'm going to have a link to my website in the description box down below. We'll have an additional link to this fifth wheel in particular, if you want to check out specs, dimensions, pricing, all that fun stuff. But still, call me or text me if you want to confirm availability before coming down to see it. We're located at Family RV in Ontario, California. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get in front of as many RV families like yourself as I can, so we can help that many more families get on the road, get camping, and making memories with their loved ones. Like the video, leave a comment, let me know what you thought. down in the comment section down below. And with all that being said, we'll see you guys in the next video.